Okay, so if you've ever used a pimple patch, these Mighty Patch nose pimple patches are basically the same premise. My teen regularly uses the pimple patches, so I thought we'd give these a try because she's getting a little kind of stuff on her nose. So the patches, first and foremost, there are 10 in the box, and they definitely are large and are going to be able to cover the full area of her nose. She's so far used one, and she said they went on very easily. And just like the pimple patch, it turns white as it works. So in the morning, when you peel it off, you can see the results in the morning. So far, so good. They've been gentle on her skin. She used it one time. She had no problems whatsoever, no irritation. And it's convenient. She could pop it on after her skincare at night, and she could stick with it. But the nose patches are definitely a great addition to her regular pimple patches, and we're going to keep these on hand. They, if they work like the pimple patches, they're going to be effective, yet gentle. And my teen actually likes using them. So let's give these a try, and I highly recommend.